Hello, everyone. This is my review of Coach Oats Organic Overnight Oats. These oats comes in a pack of 8 smaller packs. There's a non-GMO, plant-based, and steel cut texture. They are vegan friendly and make a good breakfast meal. They come in 3 different flavors. I got the cinnamon here, but you can get dark chocolate and vanilla as well. I like cinnamon, so I went with that. For these oats, all you have to do is just add water and stir it up, and you put it in the fridge for about 4 hours, or you can leave it there overnight so you can have it ready for breakfast in the morning. And it tastes good, and the texture is nice. You can make it different textures from how much water you add into it. But I like this product, and I hope this review helps.